Hey there, tea lovers! Today, we're diving into a topic that can be a lifesaver during the chilly winter months or whenever that pesky cough and cold come knocking on your door. We're talking about herbal teas, the soothing, natural remedies that can provide instant relief. If you're tired of reaching for over-the-counter medicines with strange ingredients, you're in the right place. We'll explore 4 fantastic herbal teas that can help you kick that cough and cold to the curb. The best part? They're easy to make and taste delicious. So, grab your favorite mug, settle in, and let's explore these fantastic herbal teas for instant relief. 1. Peppermint tea. First up on our list is peppermint tea. This vibrant, refreshing herb isn't just for freshening your breath, it's also a powerful ally in the battle against coughs and colds. Peppermint tea is known for its ability to soothe a sore throat, ease congestion, and reduce coughing. It contains menthol, a natural decongestant that helps open up your airways and provides relief from that stuffy feeling. To make peppermint tea, all you need is some dried peppermint leaves or a peppermint tea bag. Steep it in hot water for about 5 to 7 minutes, and voila! You've got yourself a soothing cup of goodness. 2. Ginger tea. Next on our list is ginger tea, a spicy and warming drink that's perfect for fighting off cold symptoms. Ginger has been used for centuries to alleviate nausea, soothe sore throats, and reduce inflammation. To make ginger tea, slice a few pieces of fresh ginger root, about 1 to 2 inches, and steep them in hot water for around 10 minutes. You can also add a bit of honey and lemon for added flavor and throat-soothing benefits. The magic of ginger lies in its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It helps your body fight off the infection causing your cough and cold while also calming your irritated throat. 3. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is the ultimate relaxation drink, and it's also a fantastic remedy for coughs and colds. This gentle, floral tea is known for its calming effect, making it an excellent choice for bedtime when you're feeling under the weather. Chamomile tea can help reduce inflammation, relieve congestion, and promote better sleep, all essential factors in recovering from a cold. It's particularly great if you're battling a cough that just won't quit. To make chamomile tea, steep a chamomile tea bag or some dried chamomile flowers in hot water for about 5 minutes. Sip it slowly, and you'll find yourself drifting into a more restful sleep while your body fights off the cold. 4. Echinacea tea. Last but not least, let's talk about echinacea tea, a powerful herbal remedy for colds and coughs. Echinacea is famous for its immune-boosting properties, making it an excellent choice when you're feeling under the weather. Echinacea tea is made from the roots or leaves of the echinacea plant. Simply steep them in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you'll have a potent brew that can help reduce the duration and severity of your cold symptoms. This herbal tea works by stimulating your immune system, helping your body fight off the virus responsible for your cough and cold. It's like giving your immune system a superhero boost. Peppermint, ginger, chamomile, and echinacea teas are all natural remedies that can provide instant relief from the discomfort of a cold. Remember, while these teas can certainly help alleviate your symptoms, they're not a replacement for professional medical advice. If your cold persists or worsens, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. So, the next time you find yourself reaching for a box of tissues, reach for one of these soothing herbal teas too. Your throat will thank you, and your cold won't stand a chance. Cheers to good health and a cozy, comforting cup of herbal tea.